Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Welcome to English Grammar Challenge. Total questions are 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. First question is, he dash going to school every day. Options are goes, go, going, run. The correct option is goes. He goes to school every day. Question number 2. My uncle dash a teacher. Options are look, is, on, were. Correct option is my uncle is a teacher. Question number 3. The book is dash the table. Options are at, inside, on, in. The correct option is on. The book is on the table. I dash to church yesterday. Options are go, going, goes, went. Correct option is went. I went to church yesterday. She is dash intelligent girl. Options are an, a, not, and. Correct option is an. She is an intelligent girl. They dash late for the event. Options are come, came, rule, ride. Correct option is they came late for the event. Another question is, everyone must be dash bed at 9 p.m. Options are at, on, in, inside. Correct option is in. Everyone must be in bed at 9 p.m. Mary dash in London. Options are lives, live, leave, leave. Correct option is Mary lives in London. Another question is, making calls while driving is dash. Options are fine, risky, good, safe. The correct option is making calls while driving is risky. I spoke to dash last night. Options are she, they, he, her. The correct option is I spoke to her last night. Her is correct. Where dash you come from? Options are do, are, we, were. The correct option is where do you come from? Do is correct. What time did she dash up? Options are got, get, gets, gotten. Correct option is get. What time did she get up? I am not dash this film. Like, enjoyed, enjoying, done. The correct option is enjoying. I am not enjoying this film. I am seeing her dash 3 o'clock. Options are in, on, for, at. The correct option is at. I am seeing her at 3 o'clock. Where dash he live? Options are do, does, so, was. Dear viewers, the correct option is does. Where does he live? Other question is dash do you work? Options are what? who, where, whose. Dear viewers, the correct option is where. Where do you work? She is dash work all day today. Options are at, in, and on. The correct option is at. She is at work all day today. I go dash by bus. Options are home, in home, to home, house. The correct option is home. I go home by bus. It is the second road dash the left. In, at, on, as. The correct option is on. It's the second road on the left. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like. Shukriya.